This story is sponsored by Little River Medical Center.
Hi guys, welcome back to Living Local Carolina. Today I'm back at Little River Medical Center at their Carolina Forest location, and I'm joined by the Chief Pharmacy Officer, Chris. We have met before, but it's great to see you again.
We have. It's great to see you again, Katie. Thanks for joining us at our newly renovated location. As you know, we've been here for almost 10 years at this location, but we knew it was time to just kind of refresh. So we wanted to meet the demands of our patients. So recently we've completed a renovation of not only the pharmacy, which I know we'll talk about later, but also the exam room space here, because we believe here at Little River Medical Center, we want to make sure that we allow everyone to have access to the best facilities, the best technology, to be able to have the best primary health care that they could reach here in Horry County.
You guys are constantly doing things to really meet everybody's needs, regardless of socioeconomic background, regardless of language. I really love that you do that, but why don't you tell everybody a little bit about Little River Medical Center as a whole?
Sure. Little River Medical Center is a federally qualified health center, and we like to say that we are the jack of all trades when it comes to primary health care. So despite knowing that we have medical services here, I want everybody to know that we also have behavioral health services, dental services, and other ancillary services such as imaging that can really help people maintain good health. And that's what we're all about here, because we want to believe that we can touch everyone no matter where they are at. So whether you have Medicare, Medicaid, private health insurance, or no insurance at all, we want to make sure that everyone knows that we want to be a provider of choice for anyone that wants to come visit us for their primary health care.
All right, so now we have to talk about the new pharmacy. It's brand spanking new here. It's fantastic. I'm sure you've been excited about this.
I am excited. I'm excited from listening to the feedback of our patients. And what we've done with that feedback is we wanted to make sure that we met the demands of what the patients were actually letting us know that they thought that we may be missing, because we already had the ability to provide pharmaceutical services if a patient becomes a patient here at Little River Medical Center by delivering low-cost pharmaceuticals through utilizing our free and discount drug lists and other unique programs that we have available to us to help make sure that every person leaves their appointments with the medication that they need to get better. However, we knew from a space standpoint, we just wanted to expand. We wanted the ability to kind of move our elbows out a little bit. So we've developed an excellent floor plan that also includes now pharmacy drive-through services, because we know that that's one thing that patients were craving in this location and throughout our network of other pharmacies, which we've also added that service as well at some of our other locations. It helps that mom with that antibiotic when they don't need to get out of the car and they can leave the child in the car seat. So we're able to really help utilize a different means to get the medicine to the patient and meet them where they want to be.
So, Chris, tell me, what does the process look like to become a patient here, and what are some of the benefits you get as a patient?
It's easy to become a patient at Little River Medical Center. First of all, you just call up 663-8000, get an appointment, become a patient, and then it gives you a gateway to be provided with the services that we have here within the center, namely pharmacy services. So once you become a patient here, we'd be happy to serve you in one of our 4 pharmacy locations that's most convenient for you. So some of the benefits of becoming a patient at Little River Medical Center are obvious. We're going to provide great care to you as a patient with us. Next, we have the ability to really embed and be part of the healthcare team, whether you're at the pharmacy or if you're seeing one of our behavioral health specialists, maybe one of our dentists. We're all integrated with an electronic health record that really brings benefit in helping with communication and making sure that you're receiving the care that you need for what you came here to be seen for, which is important in this day of age. So we don't want to make sure that we get lost in the technology that's out there, right? We want to make sure that we're integrated within that technology and getting the results that we want to have.
This story is sponsored by Little River Medical Center.